Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. pKa is inversely related to acid strength. A lower pKa means a stronger acid, more stable conjugate base, better ability to donate a proton. Moving on to the next step. Identify the three compounds. Kiss smiley CH3SO3H, methane sulfonic acid, A sulfonic acid. Y, CH3Cu, acetic acid, A carboxylic acid. Z, CH3O, methanol, an alcohol. Moving on to the next step. Determine relative acid strengths. Sulfonic acids, Kiss smiley, are among the strongest organic acids because sulfur in the +5 oxidation state with 2s is equal to O bonds highly stabilize the negative charge on the conjugate base, CH3SO3, through extensive delocalization across 3 oxygen atoms. pKa 1 to 0. Carboxylic acids, Y, are moderately strong organic acids. The conjugate base, CH3Cu, is stabilized by resonance across 2 oxygen atoms. pKa 4.75. Alcohols, Z, are very weak acids. The conjugate base, CH3O, has no resonance stabilization. pKa 15.5. And for the final step. Rank by increasing pKa, weakest acid last is equal to highest pKa. Strongest acid lowest pKa, Kiss smiley methane sulfonic acid, pKa tilde 1. Middle, Y, acetic acid, pKa tilde 4.75. Weakest acid highest pKa, Z, methanol, pKa tilde 15.5. So increasing order of pKa, X, Y, Z, check other options. A, Y, X, Z, incorrect, places acetic acid below sulfonic acid. C, Y, Z, X, incorrect, places methanol below sulfonic acid. D, X, Z, Y, incorrect, places methanol below acetic acid. Only option B, X, Y, Z correctly reflects the increasing pKa order. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.